foot for what it's worth. Between sets she said she could help the harmony. Looked like she hadn't eaten in a week. Dropped out of school, living on the street. Nothing romantic, she smiled and bargained with me. It was the fifth song of the set. Some old timer got a bit upset and yelled, "That's enough of you, let the young gal sing a song." I didn't argue when she began. From the start she held me in the palm of her hand. I sat there and strummed along. I sang that song 100 times. Sure, I drained the gold mine, but she picked it up, butcher I never heard. She was a songbird, one note and heads would turn. She was a morning in May. She was a songbird, they hushed each other, hung on every word. They didn't know what they were gonna say. She'd take a breath away. Young but then old, the way stories are sometimes told. They broke a trust they couldn't pay. When I suggested that she stay close, buy her shoes and make the most, this songbird flew away. She was a songbird, one note, heads would turn. She was a morning ray. She was a songbird, they hushed each other, hung on every word. They knew the moment was a long